success. And this topic I have chosen because tomorrow morning we celebrate the birthday of our beloved scientist, former president, people's president, loved by all, APJ Abdul Kalam. So to celebrate that birthday, I have chosen the topic success. He is a role model, a humble beginning and a great success. He has accomplished what is impossible for many people in their lifetime. And to accomplish such a great achievements, one needs to be of an extraordinary character and caliber. And that extraordinary character and caliber is totally visible in Abdul Kalam ji. I am one of those fortunate person who could meet him and have his blessings also. So it is fair on my part to say that I know him. And few things, whatever he spoke to me was extraordinary words. Everybody knows about him and his relationship with scientific innovations. Few great things which he has given to this country is a caliper for people who are polio affected, whose legs don't have proper strength. Initially, when he came to know that the calipers is weighing about 3.5 kgs, he felt very sorry because it will be very difficult for a small child affected with polio to carry such heavy calipers. And later he invented it and made it below 500 grams. And it became a very great achievement and great satisfaction for all those who are affected by that. Then his invention was a stent, which is an Indian stent, which is used for heart, and that is hardly costing about 12,500 in compared to the foreign countries, 84,000, 1 lakh and 1.5 lakhs. A real common man hero. He did everything possible and he was a big threat as a scientist to the whole world because he is the one who made it possible that India can create such missiles which can go to an extent of 10,000 kilometers. India is a very strong nation today. His great efforts will remain in the history of India as evergreen contribution. He is the one, I will think in this way, that he will be, Amaratvam he has achieved. He will be always with us like any other great personality of this country. Now coming to my topic of success. Abdul Kalam ji used to say that those who want to achieve success, they must find out first what is their dream of life. And once you have understood what is your dream of life, then that dream should not make you sleep, it should keep you awake. Very, very precise word is the dream should keep you awake. And that dream, when you are keeping it awake, that means it is giving you the way to convert into a reality. So I have to just quote one small poem written by one great poet, Pradesh Kumar. He is known as PK. Pravesh Kumar precisely. He wrote, Sapno par rakh aastha. Sapno par rakh aastha, karm tu kiye ja. Sapno par rakh aastha, कर्म तू किए जा, त्याग से ना डर, आलस परित्याग किए जा. त्याग से मत डर, त्याग से न डर, आलस का परित्याग कर. It's a fantastic thing. He says, if you really want to achieve your dream, then you must be prepared at any cost to be out of laziness. Laziness is a greatest hurdle in converting dream into reality. These words are very precise in this poem. And in the next stage, the poet says, Galti se na gabra. गलती से, यानी कि डोंट फियर द मिस्टेक्स, गलती से ना घबरा, गिरने से ना घबरा, फिर खड़े हो जा, गिरना फिर खड़े होना, आस्था बरकरार रहे. The faith should be always there. So what is very important is we should take life as an adventure. It's not going to be easy out there. There will be no miracles coming into your life. Let us be very, very clear. Let us make a policy that we should be resilient. We should be very, very clear to understand that time is our best friend. We have 24 hours and we have to utilize it, every inch of it. And we need a lot of patience if we want to succeed in life. We should have the ability not to quit. We should have the ability not to quit, face insult, face rejection, face criticism, face non-cooperation. Prepare to move on alone. Because to reach the goal, you got to be tough. Be bold in what you stand for. Success is not something that you run in by accident. It takes a lot of preparation and character. Everyone likes to succeed, but most people are not willing to put in the required efforts and time for the preparation. If you are ready to work hard, focus on your goal, then take it for granted you are the most fortunate person. You are sure to reach your destination. What happens? An average person who wants to succeed, he puts in only 25% of his efforts. But it requires more than that. Can you believe? If you put 50% of your efforts, the world will take their hats off and salute you. Just imagine with 50% that is the result. So, success is not something which you can any day get it as a magic wand. What are the things that you are going to face when you are traveling towards the destiny called success? You will find in your entire way, फूल बिछे हो या कांटे, राह ना अपनी छोड़. फूल बिछे हो या कांटे, राह ना अपनी छोड़ना तुम, चाहे जो भी विपदा आए, मुख को जरा सा भी मोड़ना तुम. See, in this stanza, very clearly it is said that your path will not be full of flowers. There will be a lot of thorns. Despite that, you should not leave your way. You should not turn your face from the troubles you face. साथ कोई दे या ना दे, साथ कोई दे या ना दे, भगवान पे भरोसा करके आगे बढ़ते चलो. हिम्मत कर, आगे बढ़ते चलो. नहीं कृपा की भीख मांगना किसी से. डोंट बेग एनीबॉडी. बस ईश्वर पे भरोसा कर. जब तक जान है तन में, as long as you have got life in your body, तब तक आगे बढ़ते चलो. Keep moving forward. Your attitude should be one of moving forward. There are thumb rules that you need to understand. Those thumb rules are, you should have a good attitude. Your desire should be very strong. You should be prepared to face all obstacles. Your dream should be your goal. You have to put your best of your competency. Shun ego. Stay away. Stay away. Don't have ego. People with ego will not succeed. Relinquish your comfort zone. Utilize the time to the fullest extent. You have only 24 hours a day. You have to utilize it to the fullest extent. Discipline yourself. Focus only on what you want to do. And I am sure you will be a successful person. You see in sports arena, an athletic 100-meter race, somebody by achieving 9.5 seconds, he becomes number one. The number 2 is 9.4 only. The number 3 is 9.3 only. And the number 4 is 9.4 only, or maybe 4.5. So there is not much difference if you compare and see. No need to worry about it. I know in our classrooms we were backbenchers. Most of the students today who were earlier backbenchers are chairmen of the companies, corporate, big houses. Many of them are very successful. Abdul Kalam ji used to say, "Jisne dumma nahi mara, how did he enjoy his schooling and college?" I too believe it. One should be naughty, but not get distracted from the goal. When we can handle adversity well, it will strengthen us. We can control all the events of the life, and ultimately we can reach our goal. हम लक्ष्य को पाके ही रहेंगे. That should be the attitude. If you determine yourself with a single pointed determination, vyavasa atmika buddhi, this is what Krishna says in Gita. Move on that path, success is yours.